Hello, I'm Dr. Shritama Banerjee, and today I shall be talking to you regarding lifestyle changes which you must incorporate into your daily routine in order to prevent suffering from diabetes mellitus. So, at the very onset, I have to tell you that insulin resistance is the main cause of type 2 diabetes mellitus. So, what is insulin resistance? Insulin resistance is a condition in which insulin quantity is enough in the body, but the body cells stop responding to insulin. As you know, insulin is a hormone which is responsible for regulating the blood sugar in the bloodstream. So, you must be thinking that if the quantity of insulin hormone is enough in the body, then blood sugar levels should also be normal. However, this is insulin resistance, that in spite of the insulin level in the blood being normal, or rather more than normal, the blood sugar levels spike and increase. Why? Because the body cells are not responding to the insulin hormone present in the blood normally. So, insulin is there in the blood more than in normal individuals. That is, there is hyperinsulinemia. But this insulin is not being able to regulate or decrease the blood sugar levels. So, the blood sugar levels are also more. So, this is insulin resistance. This insulin resistance will develop before you develop diabetes mellitus. It is going to develop a few months to few years before you develop the clinical disease of diabetes. So you have to break the chain, the cycle of insulin resistance. This is the first step by means of which you can stop the development of diabetes. The second method of preventing diabetes mellitus is you have to regularize your eating pattern and your sleep pattern as well. You have to realize at the very onset that the body, the human body, responds very well to proper routines, regularization of meal timings, of sleep timings. So the body knows that this is the time when I'm going to eat, and then the blood glucose levels are going to spike after the meals. So if there are regular timings of the meals, say the regular breakfast, lunch and dinner timing, then the body knows that these are the times when the blood sugar level is going to spike in our body. So the body, the metabolic control of the body is going to be better if you maintain a proper regular routine of the meal times. The third way by means of which you can prevent by means of which you can prevent diabetes mellitus is you have to reduce chronic inflammation in the body. Now for that you have to know firstly why chronic inflammation can develop in the body. So sedentary lifestyle, which most of us adults and nowadays even children have, sedentary lifestyle, sedentary behavior, irregular and inadequate sleep, processed food having high glycemic index, and very important problem which is stress, tension. It may be workplace stress or other types of stress, are predisposing the human body and creating a constant level of low grade chronic inflammation. So this chronic inflammation increases the insulin resistance in the body, and thereby, since the insulin resistance is worsening, so the chance of developing diabetes mellitus is greater. So summarizing, we have to realize that preventing diabetes mellitus is not only a single step process, it's a complex change in lifestyle behavior, lifestyle modifications which you have to follow. Firstly, you have to uh, break the insulin resistance cycle. You have to regularize your meal and sleep timings, and you have to have regular workout, physical activities, and decreasing stress. So, a proper balanced diet and regular physical activity and stress relieving activities, relaxation, all these together, when followed properly, are going to help you to prevent diabetes mellitus in future. And so the main thing is you have to consistently apply and follow all these lifestyle modifications which I told you to lead a healthy, happy, and diabetes free life. Thank you. This was all for today. I shall be back again with another video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.